Hi, this is Chris McClune with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. I am here at FDIC International today at the Rusoh Eliminator Fire Extinguisher booth. I'm here with Kim Nessel to my right and Randy Rusoh to my left, and they're going to talk a little bit about the extinguisher itself and how it kind of fits into the overall fire service. Kim, could you tell me a little bit about how the Rusoh Eliminator Fire Extinguisher helps first responders and other users?
Sure. The Rusoh Eliminator is one of the most advanced changes that's come about in the fire extinguisher industry in about 50 to 70 years of technology. And it's using some of the most advanced materials to provide strength for the container and also provide a very durable, rust-free container for the extinguisher. But there's a lot of other features, including the way that the nozzle is shaped, that shapes the pattern, and how it distributes the powder as it's going out into the fire environment, so it exposes the most amount of agent as possible to the fire.
Okay, and talk a little bit about NFPA 10 and how it addresses this type of technology.
Sure. In the industry, and we've seen this many times over the years, where technology is advancing much faster than the codes can come out, and one of the probably the most notable might be the K-class extinguishing agent. When that came out, their technology, it had never been addressed in the code system before. NFPA has a code that's called 1.2.2 in NFPA 10, and that deals specifically with new technology. So it addresses that. So what if NFPA does, it allows the innovation to come in to be exposed to the public, if you will, and they monitor it, and then they'll adjust the codes as time goes by.
Well, Randy, thanks a lot for taking some time out. I know it's hard to carve out time to talk to us, especially in a show like FDIC, but could you just kind of go through why the Eliminator was created?
Absolutely, and appreciate the time. We own and operate a fire extinguisher service company, family owned and operated for the last 35 years. And what we wanted to do is we wanted to address issues that we found the needs of our customers. And basically what it came down to is to create something for the first time that the end user, the owner, would have the ability to maintain, operate, do the maintenance, and in the event if they had a fire, they would know exactly how to operate it and then be able to reload it themselves if they wanted to.
Okay. Now talk a little bit about how it works.
So what we wanted to do is, first off, is make the fire extinguisher ergonomically correct so you could have a right-hander or a left-hander operation. So if you notice, there's no gauge on it, and the indicator to tell whether it's been actuated or not is this tamper seal here. Okay, no more pull pin like the traditional pull pin that have been around on traditional store pressure extinguishers for 70 years. So we just wanted to update the entire industry, and everything's been pretty much the same for about 70 years. So we wanted to have everything in line and simple, easy operation. And we all are familiar with the pass system. So all we added was the T for T-pass. So what you'll do here is you'll twist this, and then you can see clearly that the unit has been tampered with. Okay, so you pull this down, that would puncture the cartridge, and now it's immediately pressurized because it is a non-pressurized unit, and that's really the nice beauty and the innovation of it. It's only pressurized in the event of a fire. Okay, so then now it's under pressure, and to operate it, you would fire off the contents, and once now it's been fired off, you would get this reload kit, and you keep the head, the hose, and the nozzle, and you just take this head off, unthread this, you have your new CO2, put this head on there, and you're right back in business. And if you're doing your inspection on it, you just simply turn this over, and you invert this and turn it 1, 2, 3 times, and you've done what's equivalent to a 6-year teardown.
Okay.
Right here at Lucas Oil Stadium, we just did what's equivalent to a 6-year teardown. And you can see the ease for the customer, what that means. And if they choose that they want to have their own people still do the maintenance, they can do that too. But for the first time, we give our customers, first responders and fire departments can reload this on scene.
Well, again, my thanks to both Kim and Randy for taking some time out today to talk to us about this new technology. If anyone needs to find out more information on this, how would they get in touch with you?
Go to rusoh.com. That's rusoh.com.